I was given a 24 to 36 month prognosis,
And when was that?
2015.
2015. So that was 10 years ago.
And so I did a year of treatment that didn't work because it was not the right treatment. So my doctors at Dana-Farber said, why don't you do a clinical trial? And I said, sure, I believe in research. I don't mind being a guinea pig. If this might help other people, I'm in. So I was one of the first breast cancer patients to do immunotherapy in combination with chemotherapy. I did the clinical trial. I was taking the immunotherapy and the chemotherapy, and about 2 months in, I got really sick, spiked a fever, had lost all my hair, got really, really sick. And at some point, they decided to try steroids at a really high level, and I came out of it. So my doctor scanned me, and all of my tumors had melted away. And she said, you have no evidence of cancer at the moment.
And that's your clinical trial.
Yeah. So it almost killed me, but I survived, and it worked. So in this era, in this day and age with President Trump, if he froze my trial or withdrew the money, I would be out. And then it's a matter of life and death. I would have died.
So what happens to people who don't have access to health insurance or other federal program to help pay?
They're screwed.
I can't tell you how much I appreciate your being here to fight for keeping medical research going, to fight for keeping drug trials open, and to fight so that everybody gets access to health care that they can.
Everybody deserves access. No one should be left behind.
A clinical trial saved Barbara's life. That clinical trial has helped extend her life 9 whole years. And in those 9 years, she's watched her 2 daughters graduate from college. She's watched them get married. She's watched her grandsons start to grow up. But because of the Republican government shutdown, some clinical trials have stopped enrolling new patients. For some people, that could be their one shot at life-saving treatment. And it's on hold because the Republicans would rather shut down the entire government than save healthcare and lower costs for families. Instead, Republicans in Congress are ripping away healthcare from 15 million Americans and jacking up insurance premiums for tens of millions more. And they have bent the knee as Donald Trump slashed millions of dollars of investments in medical research, the kind that saves lives. What Trump and Republicans are doing is cruel, and it's hurting people. But don't take it from me. Listen to Barbara.